Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all liked videos you have ever liked on YouTube all at once on your iPhone. For example, if you have too many liked videos on your YouTube account and you want to delete all of them all at once on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. So first of all, you have to simply search for the YouTube app in App Store. So here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after that, you have to confirm that it is not showing any kind of update here. So here you have to simply click on that, open, and after that you will find that like videos option here. So if you click on three dots, then you will get the option remove from like videos. But if you have too many like videos and you want to delete or remove all of them all at once, then there is no option available. So if you want to do that, you have to click on that settings icon, and here you have to click on manage all history. And after that you have to wait for some time, so that you have to click on interactions. Here you will find video likes and dislikes, and after that you will find the videos. Here is also no option available that you can simply delete all like videos all at once. But if you want to delete all at once, then you have to simply go back and you have to click on view other activity, which is below here. So here you have to click on YouTube history and you have to click on manage activity, and after that your YouTube account will be shown here, and you have to click on interactions here. And in interaction you will find the option of video likes and dislikes, and here you have to click on three dots here, and as you click on three dots you will find the option of delete all. And after that you can see that all of the likes and dislikes on YouTube video activity from all time are deleted here. So here you have to simply click on delete option, and as you click on delete, your all the liked videos will be deleted from here. But if you have too many videos, then you have to wait for 24 hours so that all of your videos, like videos, are deleted. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.